GoTo Resolve is a powerful tool for improving IT incident management, and if you're looking for a way to streamline your IT support, then this video is for you. But how exactly does GoTo Resolve improve IT incident management? Stay tuned because we'll dive into how this software works and how it stacks up against the competition. The first thing you need to know about GoTo Resolve is its centralized management platform. IT incidents can often become messy when your team is jumping between multiple tools to troubleshoot and resolve issues. With GoTo Resolve, all the incident management tools are in one place, making it easier to track and manage tickets from start to finish. Next thing to consider is the remote support capabilities. When an incident occurs, time is of the essence, and GoTo Resolve makes it easy for your IT support team to remotely access systems, troubleshoot, and fix issues without delay. It's a game changer, especially if you're managing incidents across multiple locations. However, not every tool excels in this area. Some competitors offer remote support, but may lack the speed or reliability that GoTo Resolve delivers. Another standout feature of GoTo Resolve is its automation. The software can automatically create tickets and categorize incidents based on their severity and priority. This saves time for your IT team and ensures that no issues slip through the cracks. However, some other tools may struggle with automation, requiring your team to manually categorize and assign tickets, which can cause delays. Now, the fourth thing, GoTo Resolve's reporting and analytics capabilities. It provides detailed insights into incident management performance, allowing you to identify trends, areas for improvement, and potential bottlenecks. While many IT incident management tools provide basic reporting, GoTo Resolve takes it a step further by offering deep analytics to help you optimize your process and drive improvements. Finally, it's important to note the integration features. GoTo Resolve seamlessly integrates with other tools you might already be using, which is a huge plus for businesses that rely on a suite of software solutions. However, some competitors may require more manual setup or lack integration with key software, adding unnecessary friction to your workflow. While GoTo Resolve is an excellent option for IT incident management, it's worth mentioning that there are other alternatives that might be better suited for your needs. These alternatives also come with free trials and offer specific advantages that could help you manage incidents more efficiently. Before we wrap up, here's the big takeaway. Through the link in the description, you can access an exclusive extended free trial of GoTo Resolve, along with some amazing alternatives that might fit your IT incident management needs even better. These alternatives come with free trials as well, and we've curated them just for you. Don't miss out on getting the best deal and free trial available exclusively for our viewers.